We are at City Hall and Funan Mall and Capital. Many places, guys. You can use public transport, guys. NS25 or EW13. Both MRTs are available. Get down at City Mall MRT. So, guys, welcome to Himalan Chronicles. Today we are going to show you the electronic market, the famous Funan Mall and the Slim Lim Square. Funan Mall is luxury electronic market where various brands like DJI, Canon, many other brands are available, including GoPro, Toshiba, and many other places. So this is the Cathedral Andrew Church near to City Hall MRT. To reach the Funan Square, we have to go to MRT City Hall. From there, it's walkable distance, guys. So Funan Mall is a luxury shopping mall, especially of electronic items with great premium brands. Similarly, don't miss the full video because you are going to see the wholesale market as well, Slim Lim Square. So now we are about to enter the Funan Mall. We call it as Funan Mall. It's a square market where you have a lot of premium brands, GoPro, Wholesale Action, Canon, and Sony, Bose, lot of things, guys. Speaker systems, everything is available, including the PC manufacturers and all workstations, everything. Gaming laptops, everything is available at Funan Mall. So on the way from Funan Mall, when you're about to reach the Funan Mall, you need to walk just near to the Cathedral Church, as you can see. The first glimpses of Funan Mall, guys. We're about to enter it. Here to do some last minute purchases. So let's go. So guys, Funan Mall is a 4-story mall, 4 floors, and it has got a lot of electronic items, guys. Funan Square में आपका स्वागत है. And in the Funan Square, Funan Mall, you also have the food court also available. Restroom facilities are available, and as you can see, burger shop is also available, followed by various electronic markets, the premium brands, guys. Amazing, centrally air conditioned, 4 floors, just amazing, mind blowing. You can come and spend hours together doing window shopping or real shopping. In fact, here a lot of brands are available, right from headphones, Bose headphones, Creative, Sony, all other brands, guys. 4 floors. Escalators are available everywhere. So once you go to the 4th floor, 3rd floor, 2nd floor, each and every floor has got different market areas, especially premium brands, guys. So we are come here to see the Bose systems, sound systems, and also similarly we'll also see the Osmo Action DJI stores. So a lot of other stores are also available here, especially workstations, gaming laptops, and as you can see here, we just entered one of the mall here, and JBL headphones are available. Lot of multiple brands, guys. I love art, as you can mention. Funan SG means Funan Singapore. Hashtag Funan SG. That's, I think, Instagram handle. And you can see here so many shops. Dell computers are also available here. Amazing, guys. Hey Anita, so much electronic shops, guys. Funan Mall, very famous. Hello guys, welcome to Funan Mall. So many electronic shops. People loves electronics, so here lot of electronic gadgets. So I'm thinking about what else to buy. We'll explore a lot of places and then we'll go to Slim Lim Square. Slim Lim Square is budget wall electronics. watches जो एक्शन करते हैं ये पीछे पूरा रोबोटिक सिस्टम पूरा एवरीथिंग है अमेजिंग देखिए ये रिपेयर सेंटर भी है क्या वाह ये गोस Just now we are going to a Bose showroom. Very nice products, guys. Quality products, audio products, amazing. So you can shop two places, Funan Square and Slim Lim Square. Both places we are in Funan now. So we'll also go to Slim Lim and have a look how it is quickly. Okay, wow, beautiful, beautiful guys. Amazing, full of market, electronic market. All items available, just you need to have cash. That is more problematic. You get tempted seeing all these laptops, devices, you get tempted. But again, you need to have. Let us come again to Singapore. We will do a lot of purchases later, definitely. और अरे देखिए कैसा लगा आपको? एसी में है भाई, इसलिए हमको बढ़िया लग रहा है. एसी ज़रूरत है. Funan Mall, electronic mall, Funan Mall guys. A lot of products available, amazing. Now we're on the way to Slim Lim Square. Enjoy guys. Let's freshen up and start to Slim Lim Square. So as we move across this Funan Mall, you'll also see the other items like Under Armour. The clothing items are also available here, and some of the offers are also available. So let's go to the lift and we'll go to downstairs, to explore the other areas. And also we are planning to go to Slim Lim Square, the wholesale market. As you can see here, food courts guys, pasta, pizza, multiple food courts are also available while on the way to Slim Lim Square. And by the way, Slim Lim Square is very nearby to Rochester Station, and you can see sushi restaurant here. Wow, Sushi Express. A lot of cuisines are available here, so you can spend time in Funan Square, Funan Mall, spend some time, do some shopping, have lunch, and then head to Slim Lim Square. In Slim Lim Square, you will have wholesale market where you can get scratch cards, all accessories guys. Multiple accessories are available there for your mobiles, iPads, and as well as other items also like DVDs, Blu-ray, blank media, storage, hard disk, LED lights and so on. See the video, we'll explore the wholesale market in detail guys. Can you believe, just imagine this this mall or the electronic market is so huge. So huge, we are going to the Raffles City. Raffles City. Funan Market. I hope we'll go on time, right?
Yes.
I hope we'll go on time. I hope so. So once seeing the Funan Mall, we are going to City Hall MRT. From there, we'll go to Rochester MRT. Rochester MRT, we will get down and we'll go to Slim Lim Square, the wholesale electronic market. It's almost amazing guys, almost I think 8 lakh square feet of space, multiple floors, 4 to 5 floors are available with lot of wholesale market guys. As I mentioned, right from scratch cards to storage medium, printers, cartridges, lot of information is available guys, just amazing. Wow, full skyline view guys, full skyline. Anita, hello. What are you doing in this international country, Singapore? Enjoying. Slim Lim Square guys. We are entering this for the shopping mall, Slim Lim Square. The first glimpses of Slim Lim Square. We need to cross the road, waiting for the signal. Good Slim Lim Square, wholesale electronic market, guys. So guys, we are the Slim Lim Square, the Chinese and Indian and Singaporean shops. Lot of options will be there here, guys. Lot of options will be there. Amazing. Let's go to Slim Lim Square. Here's the Slim Lim Square, guys. 10 years later I am witnessing this place. Amazing. Wow. So guys, as I have told you, Slim Lim Square, you will see Oppo mobiles, MI mobiles, Sony, Motorola, and also multiple various brands, especially Samsung. And as you can see, repair stores are also available. Printer repair, CPU repair, motherboard repair, electronic markets, as well as second-hand laptops, tablets, tablet repair, iPad repair, iPhone repair. A lot of things are available, guys. So do come here. You can be able to utilize their services. Now we are exploring each and every floor to find out what kind of services are available, what kind of products are available. And by the way, the rate of let's say iPad Air M2, the scratch guard, would start from around roughly $10. It goes up to $100. So the range of products are available with multiple brands. So you can definitely visit multiple shops and identify it and prepare yourself to buy the best item for your device. Guys, you will get all scratch guards, everything, you name it, you get it. Device protection, one-stop device protection, guys. So from Slim Lim Square, we are planning to go to Marina Bay Sands, the luxurious shopping malls of Singapore. Also see the Spectre light show, which is free of cost. Do visit the next part of the video, guys, coming soon only on Himalayan Chronicles. Thank you very much for liking, sharing, subscribing our lovely channel, and enjoy the video. All videos are coming soon for Singapore series, right from shopping, lifestyle, tourism, and all other food items as well. So do visit Singapore. Enjoy Himalayan Chronicles as we have enjoyed Singapore. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.